Okay, this is their first time on grass. Come on, guys. You can come out. Come on. Come on, guys. Let's go. Well, come on. Here, hold this. Please.
I'm good. I want to play with them. I'm not familiar with horses. You got 8 cameras running right now.
Oh, they think it's just time to feed.
Come on.
No, guys, come on. You have to play.
Come on, Rosie.
Rosie, if you run, then they can't keep up. There you go. There you go.
Come on, Rosie.
Oh, look, you guys are coming to me because I feed you too. I don't think so. I don't have any food. I don't have any food, guys. What you doing, crazies?